Have you acquired an old movie camera from an older relative or friend? Did you recently purchase that cool cinema camera that still works? If you answered yes to these questions and you're curious as to how you can shoot these motion picture cameras, then by all means, subscribe to this new YouTube channel, Filmmaking with Analog Cameras. Super 35 millimeter,
Super
8 millimeter,
16
9.5 millimeter,
35
Super 16 millimeter,
65
Super 35 millimeter,
Super 8
8
Filmmaking with analog cameras.
Filmmaking with
Filmmaking
cameras.
analog cameras.
Filmmaking with
Filmmaking
cameras.
with analog
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 Filmmaking with
Filmmaking
analog cameras.
analog
Filmmaking with analog cameras. Filmmaking with analog cameras. Filmmaking